Hey guys, you're welcome again to my channel. My name is Torera, and today I decided to do something a little bit different. We are going to be cleaning my trashed London apartment together. Guys, please don't judge these images. To be honest, why do small flats get messy so quickly? It's genuinely never this messy, but please don't judge me. I know that you've had situations like this in your own home as well, so don't judge me at all. Usually at this time I would wake up around, I would say 7-8 on Saturday to clean, and Rotimi will wake up, he likes to wake up really late, so he will wake up around maybe 10 to 12, so we would clean together, or I would clean the living room, the kitchen, and the bathroom, and then he would do the room once he wakes up. Today he said I should wake him up and ask him to join me in the cleaning. So let's go wake him up. Babe! Gosh, the room is so messy. Babe, wake up! Wake up! Babe, I'm filming this video today. We're cleaning together. Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. Someone is awake. Let's clean, let's clean, let's clean. Oh yeah, come sit with me. Come sit with me. So obviously I can't carry on doing this video without talking about our sponsor. We have a sponsor, babe.
Yeah.
Our sponsor for today's video, which is the Cybovac. Where have you been all my life?
We've needed this for so long.
Honestly.
So long.
I shared this on my Instagram, and I seem to be the only one that doesn't have a robot vacuum, right? And I can't believe that, I never even thought about getting a robot vacuum. I'm so grateful to Cybovac for sponsoring this video, and I'm going to talk more about the Cybovac in the course of the video, but let's get clean. So the first thing I tackled is the shelf area, which is kind of attached to the wall. It's kind of weird in this flat, and I kind of just cleared out, took the books down. Cleaned it out with my DIY mixture of vinegar and water, which I showed you guys earlier, and just really cleaned it down because it's taken a while. I hadn't cleaned it for a long time. On the other hand, Rotimi is actually just doing his thing and doing the room, which he does the most. After that, I went on to our center table, or our coffee table, and I used the same DIY mixture. I'm not sure what Rotimi is using here, but I know he's probably using like wipes or something to clean. Anyway, after that, I kind of set the books back on the table just to arrange them and make them look good. Rotimi particularly loves laying the bed, so I know that, that's the part that he actually really enjoys. So that's what he's doing here. Next, I'm cleaning this side table, which I had flowers there before, but the flowers were like dead and gone. So I just, wiped that down, and then I moved over to the dining area, which I just wiped down really properly. I want to go check on Rotimi and see what he's doing. Oh, he's filming. Oh, well done. Well done, this looks good.
I know.
Okay, so what the Cybovac actually does is it maps out where it has cleaned and where it hasn't cleaned. So this is, pretty much like a map of the flat, and it's been working for 12 minutes now, so that's something I actually really like. One of the reasons why I particularly love this robot vacuum is that I can set the times of when I want it to clean, and it comes on at those precise times, and then it just goes around the flat. It's such a convenient way to kind of get around the house, get the crumbs off the floor, and it does a pretty good job as long as it's emptied regularly. If you want to learn more about it, you can click the link in the description box below and find the link to the Amazon shop where you can actually buy it yourself. So now let's tackle the kitchen. Oh my God. You know what? We can do it. We can do it. We can do it. So with the kitchen, I first did some hand washing myself because, there's some things that just can't go in the dishwasher. And then after that, I loaded up the dishwasher and just made sure that, you know, all of that was in there. And then I moved on to the hob. Ever since I started doing more eco-friendly stuff, I've been using this DIY mixture, and it works so well around the house. It works on everything. So definitely check it out. I have a video on how I made this eco-friendly cleaning thing that I use around the entire house, and it just gets all the grime and the dirt out, and I absolutely love it. So that's what I used for the kitchen hob.
So this is the baking soda and citric acid powder for the toilet I made earlier.
Finally, we're done.
We're done.
Yeah, we just need to take out the trash and actually just take a break. And I think I'm done. I genuinely feel like I need a cleaner.
You know what I want?
What?
Turkish, because our diet is over.
That's true.
So
That's
I'm gonna
true.
get some takeaway.
Yeah,
I think we deserve it.
we definitely deserve it. And we should have like Netflix and just literally not.
It's been real.
It's been real. We need. To be honest, how are we going to do this if we move to a bigger house?
To be honest, I think this is very useful if we move to a bigger house. So when we're going out, we can turn it on, and then they can just clean, and then we can like wipe the surfaces and stuff when we get back.
True.
Especially if you got kids.
That's true.
You need something like this.
You're telling them something. All right, guys. See you later.
Peace.
Bye.
Bye.